Hi, I'm Amanda here at Wayne Toyota. Right here we have a 2017 RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. In addition to the imperishable resale value and drivability of this vehicle, I just wanted to talk about a little bit more about this vehicle. So if you want to come with me, right here we have 17-inch Michelin tires, LED turning light signals. We'll come back here, look at the back seat. Beautiful condition back here. Doesn't look like anybody's actually ever sat back here. The seats do fold down. They're a 60-40 split. We'll come to the front here. So in there we got a CD player, we got lane departure alert, we got pre-collision system built in, Bluetooth, Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Impeccable condition. This vehicle actually has roughly 25,000 kilometers on it, and it does have the extended warranty until 2022 or 100,000 kilometers. Back here we have the backup camera. You lift the tailgate and there is ample amounts of storage space back here. This tonneau cover will protect your belongings, and it's easy to remove. It's just it's spring loaded there. You'll have your spare tire back here and your cloth mats, and the weather mats are already installed. There we have it, the 2017 RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. Give us a call here at Wayne Toyota, 623-8842.